Hey, so this officer just...
Have a seat in the car, please.
I'm on our... Can you just look at our... I will, just please.
Okay.
I'm just trying to...
I've asked you to do that 3 times now because this is a traffic stop.
I'm at my house.
I'm getting a lawsuit out of y'all. I hate all of you. I hope all of you die.
You're not on any kind of medication or drugs or anything?
No, does it look like it?
It really looks like it.
These teens think they're tough, but the badge has other plans. Watch as bold bullies discover that messing with the law isn't a game. Get ready for eye-opening moments and surprising twists. In our first case, an entitled girl tried to bully the cops, but her arrogance backfired most unexpectedly. On June 2nd, 2023, a young woman, Alexia, driving a white Mercedes, thought she could bully the police during a traffic stop. Her defiance turned into a confrontation after speeding and refusing to listen to the officer.
32 160th Avenue, me a white Mercedes, New Jersey tag, I'll advise. Hi.
The officer was driving along a busy road, focused on her radar. Suddenly, he spotted a white Mercedes going too fast. The officer realized the car was speeding in a 45 miles per hour zone. The driver clocked it at 62 miles per hour, knowing she had to catch up before it got away.
You know why I'm stopping you?
I mean, no.
You know what the speed limits are? Because I've been trying to catch up to you since Seminole Boulevard.
I don't even know where...
Okay. So when you're on Seminole Boulevard, before you get to the triangle, then you go off to Madeira Beach, and then you go around, and then you made your right-hand turn here.
When I go over the bridge you're talking about?
Before that. So on Seminole Boulevard and 68th Avenue, you're doing 62 and a 45. And then you continued at a high rate of speed over the bridge, the Tom Stewart Causeway, the drawbridge there.
I use my cruise control over half the time, and if I don't even understand right now. Like, if I was speeding, like, why wouldn't you, like, if I was speeding all the way...
The officer chased her. After a few moments, the Mercedes turned into a driveway. As the officer approached there, the driver, Alexia, insisted that she hadn't done anything wrong.
Alright, I gotta call my dad. I'll talk to you later. No, I don't even understand. Literally been home. Just stop. I need to call my dad, and then I need to call my lawyer, because this is literally ridiculous.
Echo, you grab your 28. Have a seat in the car, please.
I'm on our... Can you just look at our... I will, just please. I'm just trying to...
I've asked you to do that 3 times now because this is a traffic stop.
I'm at my house.
She even questioned why the officer hadn't pulled her over earlier. Instead of the officer's instructions, Alexia kept talking on the phone.
Sit in the car, please. I've asked you multiple times.
I need a supervisor right now.
Sit in the car.
I'm not saying another word from you.
Put your hands behind your back.
He's detaining me right now.
Put your hands behind your back.
What's going on over there?
Oh!
Let go of your phone so it doesn't break.
My bag's literally...
The officer calmly requested that Alexia return to her vehicle, but then she continued to resist. Frustrated, the officer ordered her to put her hands behind her back.
What does that mean, though? Like, I don't even know. Like, I'm getting in trouble. Like, I don't know what this even means. Like, what is it? Please, can you talk to me? I'm really scared.
I've explained it to you multiple times. You didn't follow lawful commands multiple times.
What arrested me? Like, what is my arrest? What am I getting arrested for, though? Can you tell me?
Obstruction.
Of what?
Obstruction.
Obstruction of what?
Obstruction of the law. I gave you multiple lawful commands. You did not follow them.
Ma'am, I got in the car. My dad, I literally told you my dad is on speaker. I'm about to get in the car.
Okay, and then you got out of the car and I told you to get back in the car and you wouldn't. So this is why we're where we're at.
Ma'am, literally, please, like, I'm not even trying to, like, lie. Like, you literally told me to get in the car. I got in the car and I found the registration first. If you have a camera on your car, I opened the door and I showed you, I waved it.
Correct, and I acknowledged you.
Alexia became agitated, saying she was being mistreated.
Your traffic stop is complete.
I've been pulled into my driveway this whole time, and then you turned, like, your lights on, like.
Yep, because like I told you, I'm not going to drive reckless like you did in order to cut people off to get up to you. I maintain visual with you. I saw you make your right-hand turn. I see you right here. You're still in the car, so I conduct my traffic stop.
What have you been, like, I honestly, like,
Got it?
do you understand for somebody, my entire
obstruction.
life is going to be guys are coming.
No.
What do you mean, no? I requested him as soon as I got out of the
Ma'am,
car.
just because you request them doesn't mean they show up.
She continuously bullied the officer, but all her claims were useless.
Like, please. Like, I'm literally asking you, please. You should literally be out arresting people who deserve it.
It does reek of weed, so we could impound it.
Social problem with us was the weed.
Yeah.
Officer, like, I'm begging you.
You want me to?
Yeah, if you want to.
Officer,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm begging you. What's happening now?
Your vehicle's being searched.
For what?
The odor of marijuana.
There's no, like, I don't even drive this car half the time. Officer.
During the confrontation, Alexia removed the officer's body camera and threw it to the ground. As the officer handcuffed her, she was now in the police van. She tried to call her father again, desperate for help.
Yeah, so is she the mom?
My husband's on the phone. It's the...
So Alexia, she was stopped for a traffic stop.
Oh.
She got out of the vehicle when
Can you
the
hear, honey? Okay.
when she got here, she got out of the vehicle. The deputy told her to get back in. After several attempts to tell her to get back in, she actually got back in the vehicle. While the deputy was running her information, she got back out of the vehicle to try and walk away.
Oh, because I didn't see
Which
that.
is
Okay.
how many times can we give someone directions before they go to jail for obstruction? She's obstructing an investigation.
So is she being charged or?
Yes.
Yeah, she's on her way to jail.
Yeah, she's on her way to jail
right
for
now.
obstruction, honey.
Okay, so this is
so-
Alexia?
Yes, is Alexia, yeah, so you should tell Nick.
There's marijuana within the vehicle and drug paraphernalia. Yeah.
Just as the officer finalized the arrest, the driver's mother arrived. She rushed over, clearly concerned about her daughter's situation. The officer explained the situation, but the mother was furious. The officer informed that possessing drugs could lead her daughter to more severe charges.
Trying to do anything, like, I wasn't resisting you. I wasn't resisting, like, I followed your order. She told me to get in the car, and I got in the car. I got out of the car, and I gave you my stuff. And then my... They don't even have their pants on this.
I'll get you some pants since we get them. Watch the...
Back to rescue dress. That's all I
Sorry, it's very
I understand.
I did that one already.
How far is it from here? 20 minutes, maybe?
Hey, ma'am, you got anything crazy? Any guns, knife, drugs?
No.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I have, like, a faja on. It's, like, the only thing I'm wearing right now.
Alexia feared the consequences of her arrest. However, officers proceeded with her arrest firmly.
This big old thing that's around my waist that
Did you what's up?
Oh, is that what it's called?
I just had surgery, and I was coming from my parents' house, and I'm like, okay, well, I'm just going straight to my house, so I don't need to
I understand.
Where's your surgery at?
It's at me aesthetics.
No, like where on your body, because he doesn't want to like putting like anything that's going to hurt
It's
the
lipo
incision.
360 around my whole waist.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Put your hands up. There you go.
Trust me, I already up my entire life for no reason, so don't worry, I'm not gonna do anything.
Just breathe and relax, all right?
No, like I can't. I just can't.
Everybody makes some dumb mistakes every now and then, so
No, but I didn't even.
it's not. Just relax.
How can I relax? I
It's
have 2 months left of nursing school, and now it's gonna be on my record. I
She mentioned her nursing studies and how this incident could ruin her future.
can't continue school. I can't even take the NCLEX. I can never even
For what?
work with
Why
it.
wouldn't you be able to take that?
Because if I have a misdemeanor or anything, they don't let me.
Look, back to the matter
you
being.
can't be a medical.
I know multiple people who are in the medical field who have felony charges.
Yeah.
All right, well look it up. I swear to God, look it up online. You won't be able to take the NCLEX, the National Board Nursing Exam, if you have any.
Back to the matter being.
Look at me right now. This is
Stop. You're gonna get yourself stirred up. All right?
I
I know, but fact of the matter being, these things generally don't go anywhere, and they throw them out. Just relax, get through it. They'll release you in a couple hours, and more than likely, this will go away. All right?
am. Oh my god, I'm literally gonna have a heart attack in this thing.
They're not. Step on in.
Nah, you're all right. There's plenty of room.
One of them
I got
still
your
double.
back, so you don't fall. Okay.